Vitali Tarusin ta' 32 sena minn Kharkiv jaħdem bħala interior designer. Andriy Kolovanov ta' 45 sena oriġinarjament minn Donetsk għallim tal-edukazzjoni fiżika. Malli faqet il-gwerra fl-Ukrajina u bdiet l-invażjoni Russa fi frar tal-2022 iż-żewġ irġiel iddeċidew li jitilqu kollox u jingħaqdu mal-Armata Ukrena sabiex jiddefendu lill-art welidhom, għall-familja u l-ġid u l-futur ta' wliedhom. F'Ottubru, wara 9 xhur maqtwaj minn familthom jiġġieldu fil-ħruxija tal-gwerra, Vitali u Andriy indarbu serjament f'żewġ inċidenti separati fejn spiċċaw parti minn riġlejhom amputati. Bħala parti minn Project Renew flimkien fost l-oħrajn ma' MCOP u Stewart Healthcare u l-NGO Future for Ukraine naw l-irġiel Ukreni nġibu Malta sabiex jingħataw il-kura neċessarja l-ewwel żewġ soldati minn 24 vittma tal-gwerra fil-vant tal-Ewropa illi se jkunu qed jiġu assistiti f'pajjiżna. NetNews tkellem ma' Vitali u Andriy fejn saħqu illi ma ħasbuhiex darbtejn biex jingħaqdu mal-armata malli faqet l-invażjoni Russa iżda sqarrew li dan il-pass kien daqsxejn diffiċli għal qrabathom.
So I thought, okay, this is war. The war has started. I have to go and join armed forces. That was what went through his head. In my head, it was, okay, the war has started and we have to finally go and prove what it means to be free and what is freedom. The 24th of August is our Independence Day, so we need to show and realize each of us exactly what that day means now for us. Well, the reaction was normal and adequate, and it felt like I do not have other choice. Yes, there were some tears, it was sad, but I had to do it. So my wife, she knew in advance if the war starts, I'm gonna go there. I had told her before, if it starts, I'm gonna go. Obviously, she was very sad and she was crying, but she understood that I would not stay at home.
Ma sqarrew ma' NetNews li fil-gwerra huwa l-ħsieb tal-familja li tħalli warajk li jżommok ħaj.
So the people I used to have the service with the other soldiers, the comrades so-called, they were the most supportive. Yes, so my friends and the family who stayed behind, that was the biggest motivation and what supported during the war.
U ma nsistow illi l-Ukrajina se tirbaħ il-gwerra iżda saħqu li għandhom bżonn ta' għajnuna minn pajjiżi oħra naf il-waqt li rringrazzjaw lill-Malta u l-Maltin tal-li laqgħuhom.
So I think that obviously Ukraine is going to win, that's for sure. About if Ukraine is getting all the adequate help, I am not sure about it. I'm a soldier. My task is to serve my country. So, of course, the victory will be ours. There is no doubt in that. And regarding help, we always want more, especially airplanes and especially long-distance rockets, so that we can reach as far as possible. So what I want to say is that it's so nice and beautiful here, and it's very sunny compared to Ukraine, where it's like really cold. And a big thank you to all the Maltese people. We thank all the Maltese people and we thank Malta. It's very nice here, and we also are very hopeful that there are going to be more soldiers getting help here in Malta, because there are a lot of injured people in Ukraine, and we really hope that this program is going to last longer and support more people.
Vitali u Andriy qed jiġu kurati mit-timijiet fih dan l-Orthotics and Prosthetics Unit u ċertament li din il-kollaborazzjoni se tkun qiegħda tgħin lill-aktar familji Ukreni li preżentament itħabtu wiċċhom mal-orrur li ġib magħha l-gwerra.